ChatGPT won't replace developers. ETHDubai devs weigh in. The latest version of ChatGPT is able to identify Ethereum smart contract vulnerabilities and exploits, but will it replace developers in the future? Event own this piece of history. Collect this article as the newest version of ChatGPT has caused a stir online, scoring high marks for SAT tests and highlighting vulnerabilities and exploits in Ethereum smart contracts. GPT-4 is the latest version of the highly influential artificial intelligence (AI) language model, boasting human-level performance on various professional and academic benchmarks, according to its developer OpenAI. Aside from outstanding scores on a range of various professional and academic benchmarks, GPT-4 has also demonstrated the ability to review Ethereum smart contracts, highlighting vulnerabilities and even suggesting potential ways to exploit the code. Coinbase director Conor Grogan shared a prompt dialogue with ChatGPT in which the AI chatbot highlighted a number of security vulnerabilities before verifying a method to exploit the contract. Related 10 ways blockchain developers can use ChatGPT. Perhaps more interesting is that ChatGPT's recommendation checks out, given that the exact same smart contract had been hacked in 2018 via the same method that the language model suggested. On the back of the latest ChatGPT upgrade and its potential to review, suggest and provide insights to Ethereum smart contract developers, Cointelegraph journalist Ezra Reguera explored the topic in conversation with attendees at the ETHDubai conference this week. Blockchain developer Salman Arshad highlighted the connection that ChatGPT is with blockchain given the focus on Web3 and security, and follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.